In a development highlighting the persistent challenges of irregular migration in southern Africa, Zimbabwean authorities have detained 7 South African nationals along with 59 individuals from various other countries for allegedly entering the country illegally. The group is currently held at the Harare Remand Prison as confirmed by the Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission following a recent inspection. The commission has called for their immediate deportation. This incident underscores the ongoing issues of border security and undocumented migration in the region. In response, Zimbabwe and South Africa have intensified joint border patrols, particularly along the Limpopo River, to combat illegal crossing and smuggling activities. Let's now speak to the chairperson of the Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission, who recently visited the prison, Jesse Majomo. A very good morning to you. Thank you so much for making time for us this morning. Jesse joining us live from Harare. Following your inspection that you have done and your communication to the Correctional Services Department, has there been any action that is being taken to ensure that those that are incarcerated currently are deported back to their home countries?
Yes, I would say that that is the case, but also highlight that there are from time to time people who are detained in Zimbabwe's prisons, like these 66 that we found on this day, because our Zimbabwean immigration law provides that if an immigration officer suspects that a person, for good reason, has entered the country illegally, they may arrest them, and then they will require that the prisons detain them in a remanded prison for people waiting for trial. And so they should detain them for at least 14 days while they are verifying their status. And it is our hope that they are continuing to do so that they can be released or deported while they're investigating. And it's a problem that we continue to have because Zimbabwe has yet to create detention facilities for irregular immigrants that are not prisons, but our Immigration Act for now requires that prisons must take those particular people.
Yeah.
And we are working with the immigration authorities as well to ensure that this problem is solved once and for all.
Yeah, but with this particular cohort, was there confirmation that they will be released?
This issue is a routine issue. They do get released eventually because prisons doesn't also want them in prisons because they are not held in terms of the criminal law. So they don't stay there forever.